Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in that, and this is a Sunday. Fire and breed water for like 15 minutes. So usually people just come out and check the activities out. There's a lot of people, man. Holy. Wow. It's crazy, man. You see the dragon head right there. The tail is like all the way down there. They're selling some stuff. I don't know if they take I don't think they have no machine. I don't think they have no ATM machine here. So when you come in here and you want to buy stuff to eat, always make sure you bring cash, because most of these places at the Dragon Bridge don't accept card, I think. Oh man. Check out the view of the city, man. That's very nice. It's a very nice view right here, man. So I think the activities are gonna start any minute now. So I'm gonna go check that out right now. Wow, look at the amount of people here, man. It's crazy. I can feel the heat from here, man.
Không đẹp à, lắc đầu. That was nice. Dragon is spraying water all over. That was fun while it lasted, man, I can't lie. Guy is selling his durian. I can never eat this fruit and I don't know why. There's people everywhere, man, holy. So now I'm at the night market. Just finished watching that firework and that water show, so now I'm just here chilling out at the market. I know, man, it's a sad that I didn't bring any cash with me. Selling their pastry and stuff. If you guys want some pastry, you can stop here and check this out. think it's called Polka Bow, the name of the brand. I want something to drink, man, but I didn't bring no crap. Gotta find me something to drink. This guy is selling his crap. I think these guys are artists. Join these two lovely people here. It's good though. This guy right there is an artist.
过去你别说还挺像。
It's very nice, man. This guy actually just sit down and he draw a picture of you. These are like people that he's drawn before. So like you can draw you like exactly how you look, or you can draw you like a cartoon. Woo.
우리 나갈게. I think the one from the boat.
Market is pretty big.
One red 40? That's one. Oh, so.
Questo perché? Cannes.
Nice.
Good apple.